Richard is pouring out the water from the front canopy. Oh my goodness, heavy rain.
The next day, look at that.
Sun is out after that scary rain last night.
Good morning, people. Welcome back to our channel. Last night we had a very heavy rain and it broke the canopy, and Richard cannot sleep thinking about it because he wanted to fix it. And
Oh dear, the canopy. Look. You should have not. Heavy rain. Oh, good. Oof. Oh dear. Heavy rain, heavy rain. I think my laundry is
Just falling off, I don't know where they've gone.
and then the what?
The plastic caps on top of there have fallen off, I don't know where they've gone. Let's just see if it still works.
Good. Looks like we will be playing with this heavy rain. Oh, just fix that when the rain stopped.
good.
Just fix it when it stopped. God. It's cold. Heavy rain.
Just lighting a candle for Mama Mary. And he got up this morning because he cannot sleep. He was already late. He was wet when he went to bed. And fixed it. So look at that. My laundry probably is gone wet again. Oh dear. Feels like it's been washed again. Probably gonna put them in the dryer. So yes, how is everybody here? Oh dear, look, got full again. So this water lettuce, we call it in the Philippines water lilies, they're gonna die, you know, when the height of winter, but the moment they're still okay, still alive. Some of them Richard already thrown them away because they get rotten. And I think this can't remember the name, is getting confused now because looks like it's blooming, wherever it's blooming. So okay, we'll check.
We'll check our babies here. How are you, babies? Oh, look at that. The water starts clear now. It's done clearer now. Yeah. And our bucket shower is doing well. Filter. Yeah, it's doing well. So, yes. Flowers. Yes, temperature is still like probably 10 degrees. But it's still alright. Okay, so it's Sunday today. And I just got up something past 9. And gonna get ready. Gonna go to church. So Richard is doing the water testing. So he does the water testing every day.
Yes.
To check that make sure that
Keep our fishes in the best possible condition we can.
I think he got ADHD. No, not ADHD. That's worse. PTSD. No, not PTSD. I don't know what the a thingy. He cannot sleep if he thinks that there's something needs doing. He wanted to do it right there and then, and it was already middle of the night last night.
It was raining, and the canopy were damaged, and I wanted to repair it in middle of night because when things are broken, I like to get it done straight away.
No way. So it's fixed now. Yeah, he woke up very early. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna get ready now because I need to go to church. It's Sunday. See you later.
And it's feeding time. It's massive, isn't it?
Yeah. Hi. Hello. Hello. Come here, come here, come here. Foodie, foodie. Come on, come on, come on. Hi. Ah, there you are. Oh, look at that. Looks like Mary. They have
Bit of slime.
a bit of the skin. Up into the skin. Yes, Pedro. Hello. Yeah.
You can give them more than that.
Hi, yeah. Just leave it like that. So that they can start. So let's go. Come here. You're scared because that's up.
Because she stood up.
Come here. Come on. Yeah, that's it, Monica.
Once one of them eats, that's it. That's enough now.
And look at that.
It's massive. It's 3-4 times as big as when we bought it.
Yeah. Oh, yes, Henry.
Even what's that, Magdalene, small one. Even she's started growing a bit.
Looks like she's the smallest one.
Yeah, but she's growing now. I've noticed she's growing again. And Jane's fair old growing. She's nearly as big as Nino now. Nino just
She's
couldn't
really
grow
claiming
at all.
her rank to be the. So we are just chilling by the pond.
Chilling with the fish.
Chilling with the fish.
Is that
Watching them.
type of visitor
Eating.
that you don't eat?
Yeah. I can't afford to eat them. They're very expensive. I will just buy mackerel in the shop. So look at that. They are still eating some more bits. Yeah, there's still some more here. Can you see that? That's Pedro there. Yeah. Pedro has been over 3 months with us, and he grown way bigger than when he was
Nice and chunky,
first came.
isn't it?
Oh my God, what happened? Oh, Mary, looks like she had a bit of flash. Mary, because probably she just had eaten quite a bit.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about just everyone.
Yeah.
It's when, if you start doing it, that's when you
So yes,
have a problem.
this is what we like, sitting by the garden and watch these little cuties eating. So they have their own characteristics. Yeah, come on, eat more, because in the winter you cannot eat that much anymore.
That's it, get it down, yeah.
Yeah, ganun. Okay. So they discovered it. But what? Because I've been comparing them to Jane and Elizabeth.
She'll probably catch up now. Now she's started.
Did you see that spider? That spider there. I cannot see from you. That's the spider. And then there's another spider there. It's moving. So we got loads of spider, and they are fatty spider here. And another one. Another one spider. Did you see that? Okay. Good morning, Mama Mary.
Loads of big spiders.
Even here, spiders. Oh dear, we got loads of spiders.
There's
Why?
They're
Okay, so yeah, the sun is still out, but it's a bit cold. But it's nice to be out here in the sun. My walis thing is in action. Kinda sweet because we got loads of dead leaves dropped from last night's wind due to heavy rain. See, it's done. Bird up. I think this needs to go as well. Yeah. I am watching news in the Philippines, and there's big riot. They wanted the president to step down. The big riot. That's it for today, folks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Please subscribe. Bye.